Falklands Law. When you don't have to make a decision, don't make one. This sounds simple, but this is some of the most underrated wisdom that exists. Not everything needs a response. Not every situation needs a reaction. Not every opportunity needs a yes. Most bad situations don't happen because you did nothing. They happen because you did something when doing nothing was the smarter choice. Silence is an answer. Waiting is a strategy. Not acting is a decision, and often the best one. Until a situation clearly tells you, move now, don't move.